What if I told you that you could launch a website live on Azure without writing any code and without even logging into the Azure portal? Today, I'm going to show you how to do that using shell script and AI. Seriously, one command and your website is live. If you want to delete everything, you can do it with a single click. Stick around because I'm going to show you a bonus trick to customize website in seconds. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like. Let's get into it. So here's what's happening behind the scenes. My shell script sends a simple prompt to an AI model. AI model will write Terraform code for me. The script runs Terraform, sets up storage account and static website, creates a modern web page and uploads it. No manual steps. It's super fast, it's all automated, and it's perfect for learning or weekend experiments. Just remember, don't use this exact setup for production. This is all about having fun and learning. Let's jump into our Visual Studio Code and look at the script. Everything happens in this one file. You just run it, no complicated setup. Here's what it does. In the beginning, we are trying to define some variables with our names as per my use case. Then we are, let's say, writing a prompt that will generate Terraform code for us. The prompt is, let's say, talking to our model, local model. In this case, I'm using Mistral model. You can use any other models as well, but I prefer Mistral here. Once the response is being sent, it is also cleaned up properly so that we will not have any kind of answers or explanations within that file. Once everything is cleaned up, we are creating a directory, TF output directory, which is generated directory. And we are writing the whole source code in this particular main.terraform file. Once this is done, also I am mentioning that I need a proper output block, which is, let's say, not tied to my resources. It should be, let's say, towards the end of the file. And then the step 2 is we are trying to run Terraform initialize, Terraform apply. The next step is to create static site folder and index.html file. So I'm using this directory here and also index.html. I'm trying to insert this colorful, let's say, links and stuff to my website, index.html site. Once this is let's say, successfully created, I am trying to upload the same to the storage account so that I can easily access using the URL. So once I run the script, I should see the output of the URL and we should be able to see the website live. Let's run the script in action and look at what's happening. /full deploy.sh. Press enter. Now Terraform is doing its thing. So while we wait, I want to know, would you ever let an AI script set up your cloud resources, or is that too risky? Drop a comment below. I'm really curious what you think. And honestly, the best part is I'm not clicking through Azure. I'm not writing code by hand. Everything is automated and repeatable. And keep watching because I'll show you a cool tip to make the script even more flexible after we go live. Alright, looks like everything finished. The script just uploaded our website. Let's open the link Azure gave us. Before going to this website, I would like to show you the output, the full output. We ran this particular script, and if you look at the output, so we can see the output. We have the main.terraform file as expected, followed by initializing the backend, and also apply is being happened. Everything is automated using single script. So if I scroll down real quick, I can see apply complete successfully, resource 1 added, 0 destroyed, and also it tried to upload the file to the storage account. Let's open the link Azure gave us. I'm going to copy this, go to the Chrome browser and paste it here. And here it is, live with a clean background, newsletter sign up page, and subscribe on YouTube. I'm going to click on this. I'm being navigated to my newsletter, followed by if I click on subscribe, I'll be navigated to my YouTube channel. If you are still watching the video, type a AI-powered DevOps in the comments so I know you made it this far. And of course, like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video where we take this even further. Here's the cool part. Once you are done, you just run this simple script, destroy_all.sh. Press enter. It will ask you, alert, this will destroy all Terraform managed resources and clean up local files. So it will try to delete these folders. These folders got created part of this script. Now we are trying to delete them. Say yes, press enter. I'm going to show you the script once. So if you see, it is trying to ask me. I gave the variables here, followed by Terraform destroy, and also cleaning up the Azure storage account. So everything in detail I gave in my README file. No old resources, no surprise builds. That's why I love infrastructure as code. Here's your bonus. You can change your website or the AI prompt anytime. Just edit this script, rerun it, and you got a new site. Super quick for experiments or demos. What would you build with this? Tell me in the comments. So that's how you can go from a simple shell script to a live website on Azure powered by AI. If you like this, check out my next video where I'll show you how to add more Azure services like a key vault or a database. Don't forget to subscribe, join the newsletter, and share this with anyone who wants to learn DevOps the real way. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.